Alright, what's up YouTube? This is another thing we're doing. Hope you enjoy it. Have fun watching. Hang on, let me put my kickstand out for you. Hope you have fun watching. Bailey, I'm gonna have you do the honors actually. Let's have some fun. They're all creeper faces. Some of them are balls. Not like that. And Bailey, don't say anything. We got a lot of these, so hope you enjoy it. And we're gonna post more videos of Minecraft up here soon. Bailey, you gotta let us get up there. Well, you gotta let me get up there. Yeah, the creeper faces are in. What? Yeah, I got about 60 or 27 firework rockets that I need to get rid of. Hup. That would have hurt me if I wasn't in creative. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I got one dude that I need him to be posted up for you guys to go check him out. Yeah, a good buddy of mine. Has a YouTube channel. Let me find him here real quickly. Hang on, Bailey. Yeah, I ain't got him. You guys can read that. Pause it. Take a good look. My buddy, he's J-Nanon with 7 subs and a few videos. He needs some subscribers and everything. So if you subscribe to him, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.